How to fix a Snapchat application not opening on your Android device. If the app is not responding, simply force close the application and remove all the application from the menu. And after that, simply long press on the application and go to the app info section by tapping on here. Then simply scroll down and head over to the storage section, and there you'll find the cache. Now delete and clear cache. Then head back, and just beside the uninstall bar you'll see a force stop. Tap on it so that any corrupted files get closed instantly. Then simply close the application. Now check if you're using the up-to-date version by going to the Play Store. Search for the Snapchat application on the Play Store and tap on it. If there is an update, tap on update, which will be available just in front of open. If it shows open, that means it's already up to date. And also make sure that you have a reliable and stable internet connection. For that, go to the navigation bar and turn on airplane mode once. Then simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it off to reset your Wi-Fi network. If the Wi-Fi is poor, simply switch to your mobile data and then try opening the app. If that doesn't work, simply try uninstalling the application and try a clean reinstall. And in that way, your problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.